Okay, I have played Doom for years, but suddenly the shotgun reload sound felt way too familiar.
Das Bett in Flammen sehen.
Fact 1. The strange background noises and certain effects aren't a coincidence. Some of the samples, like sounds, literally come from the Doom's audio library, industrial meta with FPS vibes. Good match. Fact 2. Wollt ihr das Bett in Flammen sehen? Or, in English, do you want to see the bed in flames? Didn't even have this long title back in 1994. Its working name was Der Bringer, meaning their bringer, but bring what? Fear, fire, emotional damage? It runs at 130 BPM in D minor, the official key of the dramatic German sadness. This is one of the songs where the classic Rammstein vibes first appeared. Fact 4. The iconic line didn't originate here. It first appeared in the song Fall by Orgas Webgaming, a pre-Rammstein project where Richard Kruspe and Schneider played before the band was formed. Fact 5. The live performance changed a lot over the years. In 1994 there were no pyro globes, no big props, just smoke, chaos, and Till tried to find his inner demon on the stage. Years later the visual became louder, hotter, and that now iconic spark shooting glow finally appeared, along with that cold, intense stare. If you want more dark, weird, and chaotic fact about Rammstein and Till Lindemann songs, follow me. We are covering all of them, and trust me, Doom won't be the last strange connection.